Hey guys, in this video, I'll tell you about AutoDS versus CJ dropshipping. Alright, let's begin. First of all, let's start off with taking a look at the features included in both AutoDS and CJ dropshipping. Both AutoDS and CJ dropshipping offer product research, product sourcing, order fulfillment, and shipping. So what sets these two apart? Let's start off with what sets CJ dropshipping apart. AutoDS only has a warehouse in China, while CJ dropshipping has a warehouse in the USA, the UK, Canada, Australia, and several other countries in Europe. These warehouses allow faster shipping times in many countries. Now what sets AutoDS apart? AutoDS offers automatic price optimization, which helps you automatically maximize your profits. This tool alone could make you a lot of money. But AutoDS has a few more features. For example, the TikTok Ad Spy tool gives you access to a comprehensive collection of TikTok ads and videos that are constantly updated. This provides valuable insights into what's trending on TikTok and gives you inspiration for products to sell. A few more features include product analysis by experts, price and stock monitoring, online courses included with your plan, and a dropshipping help center with one-on-one chat support. Now let's take a look at the pricing. AutoDS offers plans ranging from $10 per month to an advanced plan of $33 per month. They also offer custom plans ranging all the way up to $2,300 per month for expert dropshippers. If you want to see exactly what's included in each of these plans, you can check out the pricing plan on their website. You can also see that it says "Start now for $1." On the other hand, CJ dropshipping doesn't have a monthly subscription. Instead, they have a service fee per sold and shipped product. Some user reviews indicate that the service fee can be quite high, which will take away from your profit margins. So which one is actually better? If all you are looking for is a tool to source your products and fulfill your orders, CJ dropshipping may be better for you. But if you're looking for a more complete dropshipping tool, including automatic price optimization, then AutoDS may be better for you. I recommend trying both of these out, especially AutoDS. So that's basically all about AutoDS and CJ dropshipping. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.